So hello everyone, as you know I am Monica from IELTS 9. The reading title here is El Nino and Seabirds. If you don't know the meaning of this El Nino, leave it. So seabirds, we know birds, seabirds means relating to seabirds. We are going to read within 20 minutes and I will just tell you how to attempt reading passage, any reading passage. No need to read the passage first straight away, because you can see this much, this page, this full page, this full page, and this paragraph also. So this so much lengthy, means too much lengthy reading passage is this. So straight away, whether the reading passage is small or lengthy, please don't read anything from the reading passage. Always look at the type of questions we have and just take the target of the question statement and then go to the reading passage and try to find the location of the question first and understand the meaning then. No need, because many information are here like unnecessary for us, means for solving this reading passage. So it is not necessary to read passage first and then go to the questions, then you will be easily find all the answers. Not necessary. I am telling you, follow this strategy for IELTS reading, because as you know we have to finish 3 passages in 60 minutes. So that's not possible if you read full passage first and then go to the questions. Let's start this reading. Okay, so here first type of question is multiple choice question. Here I have written multiple choice question so that I can save my time on video, your also. But in actual exam you need to understand what type of question is this, because here they have given choose the correct letter A, B, C or D. When it is like that, it means this is multiple choice question, choose the correct letter. Now first this is question statement and these are the options. Okay, like options will be like that. This is printing mistake. So how to do this multiple choice question? It is important to follow the strategy for IELTS reading multiple choice questions. So always read the question statement first, try to understand its demand. So it's not like that you are getting all the keywords in the option and from here and you will select that. No, just try to understand the demand. So they are asking why, reason. Scientists want to investigate El Nino phenomenon at beginning of the paragraph. At beginning of the paragraph. Okay, we will just try to find the reasons why scientists want to investigate. Now I will not read anything from the option. First I have read, I have understood the statement and and come out with the keywords scientist also and investigation. Let's find these keywords into the first paragraph, because first type of question is this. Definitely we will just try to find the location of this question into first paragraph. Let's find it. You have to do this reading with me. I will show you the paragraph as well as question also. So this is first paragraph, A paragraph. Let's look at the words scientist, investigate and Nino phenomenon. Okay, you also try to find it. Side by side you have to underline or circle the important things, whatever you think that they can be useful in next question for finding the keywords. Okay, so I'm not trying to read anything here. So millions of human beings, so they want anticipate these occasional lapses in the march of seasons and help societies plan accordingly. Scientists, now I got scientists, are seeking to understand these competing rhythms, the strongest of the which is the alteration between normal climate different. El Nino word is also here. So what we are looking, why do scientists want to investigate? So investigate kind of thing. Scientist, it means comma is there before scientist, comma is there, means full line we have to read it from here. So start sentence is starting from here. So they won't anticipate these occasional lapses in the march of the seasons and help societies plan accordingly. Scientists are seeking to understand these rhythms the strongest, which is this normal and not. Okay. Why do scientists want to investigate El Nino phenomenon at the beginning? So here from here sentence is starting until here sentence is going to end. Now here scientist means they want anticipate means they want to anticipate for helping societies so that they can plan accordingly. So anticipation they are doing it, that's why they are reading, investigating. Now let's read the options. You will come to know how MCQ questions we have to select. To learn patterns of creatures, so creatures that live in marine environments. So scientists related thing, they were not talking about any marine environment creatures, and also I will cut it from my list. Assist us to map out because it disturbs normal cycle for the wildlife and human. So human is societies, and they want anticipate these occasional lapses in the march of seasons, help societies plan accordingly. So of course I think us is societies they are talking. To map out means to plan accordingly because it disturbs normal these occasional lapses in the march of seeking to understand. So normal cycle for wildlife and human it is given. Society includes everything. So C, I think this is matching, but let's read all the options. It has profound theory for both academic side and practical side. So academic and practical kind of thing was not there. Tropical Pacific Ocean is where El Nino affects most. Okay. Tropical rhythm the strongest. El Nino, no, nothing is given like that. So I have not found this word also here in this from where they were talking about scientists. So definitely we will go for B option, because here they want to anticipate these occasional lapses in the march and help societies plan accordingly. Scientists are seeking to understand means investigate these competing rhythms and all. So this is the answer we have selected. Now second number question. Why do scientists use seabirds as important subject? Okay, use seabirds when observe climate change worldwide. Now keywords, why, again reasons, scientist is also there. They are using seabirds as important subjects, important thing when they observe climate change worldwide. Okay, let's go to the next paragraph where we have found the location of first question. So after that we will try to find the second location. Now seabirds, I can see it. Seabirds are prominent and highly visible components of marine ecosystem that will be affected by global climate change. Same word is there. The Bering Sea region is particularly important to seabirds population. There are larger. Okay, so I think in this sentence we will get the answer. Second question, why do scientists use seabirds as important subjects when observe climate change? Okay, I think are prominent, highly visible component of marine. Okay, let's read some more options because here more things they have given. Seabirds affected by prey changes. Okay, prey word temperature and climate, its large size is large, affects seabirds more than other sea creatures. North America. Okay, these are also keywords. It means we have to read full paragraph, B paragraph. Now I am showing you full B paragraph. See this. So we have got the location of second question. Scientists use seabirds as important subjects. So same line is this, are prominent and highly visible components of marine ecosystem that will be affected by global climate change. But why? The Bering Sea region is particularly important to seabirds population. There are larger and more diverse in any similar region in North America. So North America is situated in the area where El Nino affects most. Okay, North America, over 90% of the seabirds breeding in the continental United States are found in this region. Okay, seabirds, so named because they spend at least 80% of their lives at sea, are dependent upon marine resources for food as prey. Prey word was also there. Seabirds affected by prey changes according. Let's find this statement also, temperature and ice. As prey availability changes in response to climatically driven factors such as surface sea temperature is also there, extent of sea ice, so will populations of seabirds be affected. Okay, so let's read the options. Seabirds affected by prey changes. So changes is also there as prey availability changes in response according to the temperature is also there, and ice is also there. So perfectly matching this option, and here it is. But let's read the other also. Its size is large enough to be absorbed. Are they talking about its size? Continental leaves. No, is particularly populations there are larger and more diverse, but they are not talking about any size kind of thing, so I will just cut it. El Nino affects seabirds more than other sea creatures. This is also not described, you can read it, where they are talking about that they are disturbing only seabirds more than other sea creatures. No, North America is situated in the area where El Nino affects most, so this kind of option is not related with this. See this, you can read it. North America is here, and here they are talking about population. There are larger and more diverse than in any similar region in North America. Over 90% seabirds breeding. So here they are talking something different about North America. But here option North America is situated in the area where El Nino affects more. So this is also not related. So we will select A1. Now third number, what happened for marine mammals? Okay, what happened? Till then you can like and subscribe my channel and video also. Okay, so let's read third one. What happened for marine mammals that live in this island in Gulf of Alaska? Okay, what happened for marine mammals we have to find, and keyword means this keyword will take us to the location of this question. So let's move to next paragraph. So here this we have read, and seabirds we are looking for what we are looking for, this word island, Tugidak Island in Gulf of Alaska. Seabirds, enjoy them, pictures, nature program, written accounts and all. Federal legislation, wildlife refuges to protect seabirds. Seabirds also important substitute resource for many who live Bering Sea region. Furthermore, rich knowledge about seabirds make them valuable resource as indicator species for measurement of changes in marine environment. Okay. So next one we can read it. Alaska is here. The most abundant breeding species in Alaska are northern fulmars, stone, this murreys. These species also from the largest colonies fulmars. I will not read it full because I am looking for another word, that is my marine mammals, Tugig Island in Gulf of petals. No, nothing is there. Yeah, in next paragraph I can see Gulf of Alaska, and marine mammals is also there, and this word is also there. Now this is the location we have got. Let's read this paragraph. Now this is E paragraph. See this full paragraph I am showing it to you, and we have to look for what happened for marine mammals that live in this island in Gulf of Alaska. So Gulf of Alaska location we have got. Marine mammals have exhibited similar sign of food stress in recent years. Okay, exact location we have got. Harbor seals, they are talking about harbor seals, not marine. Declined by about, okay, we have to read it. Stellar sea loin population, okay, this is different population, declined by 36% in Gulf of this, and this speed reading you should know it, by another 59% between 1985. Northern fur seals, different animal name, declined about 35%, this and this. Okay, although numbers had rebounded somewhat 20% by 1990. Okay, associated with the decline in stellar sea loins are declines in birth rates, fewer breeding females, fewer pups, decreased adult body condition, decreased juvenile survival, and a change in population age structure. Okay, marine mammals, all are marine mammals. Harbor seals, they are talking stellar sea loin and all. Okay, So what happens? Let's read the options because we have read everything. Number of seals declined about 85% from the mid 20th century. Number of number of seals, 85% is also there from the mid centuries. Declined by 85% between, no, mid century is not matching, so we will not write it. Okay, so next one is number of stellar seal wine declined while number seals grew. So this is also not, because everything is declining, every population, whether it is stellar seal wine or harbor seal. So while number seals grow, nothing is growing. So this is also not option. Birth rate and breeding. So birth rate they were talking here, and birth rate and breeding females declined in this island. Okay, so yeah, birth rate declines in birth rate, fewer breeding females. So both the things are there. So we can opt this, but let's read the next one. The situation of mammals on the island is not worse than we expected. So where we were expecting something, you can see nothing is there where they are expecting that situation on the island is not worse. So this is also not given. So we can just select birth rate and breeding females. See this, exactly it is given. And fewer breeding females. So that's why C is the answer. Now 10th, next number. According to this person, what happens in the monsoon seasons notably, means importantly. So for finding the location of this question, this person name is the keyword, and then monsoon season we will try to find, and what happens in the monsoon season notably, specifically monsoon season, what happens. So next paragraph, so this paragraph we have done, of course, one by one. In after one paragraph, after this you will get your answers in order. So next person is there, we were looking for this person name. What happens now? Monsoon season is also there. With low index conditions are often marked by drought, marked by drought in Australia, Indonesia, India and other parts of Africa. He also claimed low index winters tend to be usually mild in Western Canada. One of his British colleagues, chided him in print for suggesting that climatic condition over such widely separated regions of the globe could be linked. In his reply, Walker predicted correctly that an explanation would be forthcoming, but it would require a knowledge of the wind patterns above ground level, which were not routinely being observed at that time. We have read full paragraph. So we were looking for question according to J. Walker, what happens in monsoon season notably. So actually monsoon he noticed that monsoon seasons with low index conditions are often marked by drought. So he is going to talk about, he is talking about drought. Marked means importantly or notably, you can say marked by drought in Australia, Indonesia and now let's read the options. See option, this is the question and these are the options. Let's read it. Flood and drought seriously damage almost everywhere of the planet. So in full paragraph, nothing was like that. Flood, they were not talking about any flood. So this we will not select. And Walker's prediction could soon come true. So prediction word is here, but let's match. Predicted correctly that an explanation would be forthcoming, but here he is saying would soon come true. In his reply, Walker predicted correctly that an explanation would be forthcoming, but it would require a knowledge of some condition he had given, so would soon come true. So this we can't select. Drought only affects some parts of Africa. Drought only affects some parts of Africa. But here they are talking about Australia, Indonesia, India and parts of Africa is also there. Drought will affect somewhere of the earth such as Australia and Indonesia. Yes, this is matching. Australia and Indonesia will affect somewhere of the earth such as this. So we can select this. Only because that's why C is not answered, because it is given only. It is given only, but here only is not there. Another part, another countries are also there. That's why D will come. Now true false not given we will be doing.